Yo, what's good, Poke fan? We back again, once again, on the Poke Dares channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pack a day, number 286, family. And I'm keeping that streak alive to 365. You dig? Let's get to it. We're gonna take the hair across and let's go. If you're new to the space of the Poke Dares channel, gaming, streaming, vlogging, pack openings, pack battles, unboxing, news reviews, entertainment videos, reaction, hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Poke Dares channel, we live in the rec, family. You know how we do. Let's get to it. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, hey, what's goody, what's good? Hit that like button, share the content. The like button is free and it don't cost you nothing. Let's get it, family. 286. Let's go. 286, family. Chasing this headache pack to Charizard. Gone. Let's go, let's go. No, we got something good. Come on. Come on. Ooh, moving too fast. Ooh.
Is everyone else spending $1,200 in 7 days?
No, I don't know. I don't know if they're serious. If they're serious, they are. If they actually want to fucking catch them all, that's what they're fucking doing. That's what I'm fucking doing.
I don't think so.
Ooh, we got us a hit. Okay, that's crazy, right? We open up the hair cross and we pull the mega hair cross. I believe it's the SIR too. Yeah, I want to say this is the SIR of it. That's fire, right? No pun intended. The hair cross pack with the hair cross, mega hair cross SIR. W's in the chat, family. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. You dig? So we pull another banger on 286, family. That's what's up. Can't make that up. Let's leave that up. And this is good. So we actually gonna put this in the top loader. So get a chance to win this as well. Got a top loader right here. And this thing is beautiful too. Ooh, I think it's heavy. Ooh. Whew, it's heavy to the right, or I think that's how it's supposed to look, y'all. Y'all let me know. It's real, like, super heavy to the right. But it's all right. I'm gonna put it in top loader. Family, mark that down right there. So it can go down. Everything looks copacetic. So 286, family, we got a hit. Get a chance to win that right there. Let's go. You already know our motto. Just got to hit that like, share, and subscribe to be a part of the giveaway. Get you some, win you some stuff in the binder. Pop a pack, you already know. Leave a comment section in one of the videos to win you some cards, be a part of the giveaway. And if you're new to the family, just hit that like, share, and subscribe, and let me know that you're new to the channel. And we will be a part of the giveaway. Give you a chance to win that hair across, cards in the binder. And I got 6 or 7 binders to give away, and also some sleeves. So just hit that like and subscribe, or get people to come and sub up to the channel. That'll get you an extra drawing ticket. So you already know our motto, family. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. You know how we do. Be safe out there, family, and salute. Thank you for all the love and support. Peace.